When it's raining outside, if you're looking for an idea to keep the kids entertained, how about making some sock puppets? Now, to make your sock puppets, here's what you'll need. Get your decorations ready. Obviously, I've been to a craft shop, but you could quite easily get things from all around the house. You could use buttons for eyes. So, add some glue, put your hand into the sock. Here we go. Wish us luck. And decorate. And there you go. Now, time to play with them. If I do this, let me show you. Good.
My hair's gone everywhere.
Oh, they are Bluetooth, aren't they, those ones?
They're
Instead of any wires. They're Bluetooth.